the reason why content creation is so important for this process is because it gets you to burn through those programmable elements, those things that have kept you down, worthiness, maybe money traps, any number of things. And when you create content, you burn through those roadblocks. The act of creating allows you to see where you're limiting yourself. And the movement forward and trusting in the next step means you'll burn through. It's the imperfect action. Perfection is a form of procrastination. It's just like creating a video. If you have your greatest hits, you're able to talk about those to no end. And people, when you resonate with the right audience, you could talk about the same thing over and over again, like Abraham Hicks. A few things that she talks about over and over again. Years of content. And so you can do the same thing because people love hearing those greatest hits and they like seeing it from different angles. And as long as you kind of refresh those angles, then you have endless content. You don't have to go searching for those, but you have to build your audience up to that. And that's the hardest part, is that momentum. But if you have the compound effect, knowing that as you put content out there, energy forward, it builds upon itself. It's the difference between getting a penny initially and everything you get is doubled along the way versus getting $1 million. It's the same thing with content creation, your ability to keep going with video. So if you want to create, if you want to get past some of these barriers, I believe it's through content creation. And part of that content creation is with an audience. So that is the start of things. Down below are some links if you want to get started with that imperfect action moving forward. Check out the links below. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a like. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.